Okay, hello. Today is, look, it's currently past 4 p.m. And yeah, I'm so happy that it's no longer dark at 4 p.m. Unlike, in the previous months. So yes, I'm going to go, as always, I'm walking to Isaomina Library because I need to return a book that the book's due date is today actually, so I need to return it so I won't get fined or something. But I also borrowed 3 books from the library, so I'm going to get those books also. Yes. The books are kind of heavy. It's 3 books.